Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Candy and I'm coming to you today with another video. I'm looking a little bit rough, but it won't be about me today. I will be definitely showing you guys a tutorial, but I just wanted to, tell you guys welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, I am super duper happy to have you guys, and for those oldies but goodies, thank you guys again for your continued support. So today, let me show you what I'm going to be doing. Yes. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be pre-twisting some hair, some spring twist hair. As far as I know, there is no shoulder length spring twist hair that is, designed to be installed for crochet styles on the market. That's as far as I know. If I'm wrong or if you have seen any, please do share. So a client of mine wants her hair, done in the spring twist. This is the spring twist from Beyond Beauty, a very popular brand. Yes, available on Amazon, and I guess it's available other places, but this is where it is most popularly ordered from, Amazon. And she wants her hair in the spring twist. However, she is not willing to sit to have it done. She wants it done in the shortest possible time, and so I'm going to be pre-twisting them ahead of the appointment, and so that when she arrives it can be installed with the crochet braiding technique. Yes, so today I'm going to be showing you guys. Yes, we have the spring twist here. This is an ombre color. This is the color Wannabe 27. And I'm going to pretty much be twisting them up and showing you guys, how I do it easily. Alright, so right here I have this braid holding rack. Yes, as a matter of fact, they are designed to hold thread. It is actually a thread holder, but yeah, us braiders, we do use it because it's convenient to separate and to hold, braiding hair. So first things first, this is how the hair comes in the pack. Yes, in pieces, separated pieces like these. And what I'm going to be doing for each twist is I'm going to be separating the hair in half, and then I'm just gonna hang each one on one of these spools for easy twisting. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fill out the entire rack with the hair that I'm gonna be twisting, and then I will return to show you guys how I twist. Alright, so the first set of hair has been hung. I pretty much put a piece of hair on every single spool. It has 66 spools, which is good. I think this is a pretty decent size one. They have smaller ones, but I opted for the biggest one that I could find at the time, and it is available, as I said before, on Amazon. I will leave the link to this particular one, in case you guys would like to purchase it. So let's get the show on the road. What I'm gonna do is start from the top, and by putting the hair over the spool like such. Is it called a spool though? God, forgive me if it's not a spool, but yeah, I'm gonna put the hair over this thingy that I will refer to as a spool for now. Correct me if I'm wrong. And by starting to twist at the very base, it will automatically create, let me see if I can zoom for you. Yeah, it will pretty much create, hold on, let me zoom some more. Right, so what is going to happen is that by hanging the hair on the spool, it will automatically create a loop, so I start twisting, and then the hair that is pretty much hanging on the spool, that will create as you can see, an opening which will serve as the loop for, you know, installing the crochet style. All right, so I'm just going ahead and twisting, and it is the easiest thing ever to twist. Spring twist here. It's so easy. And this is really not a twisting tutorial. This is pretty much just showing you just my whole setup and the mechanism that I use when I am preparing, you know, hair in advance, pre-twisting or pre-braiding hair in advance to be used for crochet styles. Yeah. And this is so much more convenient, you guys, because I used to pretty much have somebody hold the hair, you know, hook the hair on their finger, and I just twist it while they're holding it, or find some other creative means of doing it. But this is just genius. This is super convenient. And yeah. All right, so here we have the very first twist. Super duper easy to twist on the spool. I'm going to be removing it and showing you guys the loop, the loop. Alright, so this is the loop, and it will make for easy installation, just like any other crochet braid style that has the pre-made loop. Yeah, spring twist number 1. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done. This is the finished product for the twists that I did with the 3 bags of spring twist, yes. And yeah, they're all set and ready to be installed using the crochet braiding method. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, I appreciate you guys, and remember to like, rate, subscribe, share, and pray. And remember to stay tuned for my next video where I will show you how the hair looks when it is installed. So again, be blessed. Until next time.